Hey everybody, today we are planting potatoes. Actually, today is a little bit of an experiment. These are store-bought potatoes and I'm going to see if they will grow in a planter. So, here we go. So as you can see, these have been sitting in my basement for quite a while. We're going to separate these out to be planted. Every piece that you plant, you want at least one eye in it. Anything that doesn't have an eye, you can toss out. Now I'm going to dig small holes to plant my potato sprouts in. It's okay if the sprouts are sticking out a little bit because we're going to cover it with more soil in a minute. Now I'm going to cover the potatoes in a few inches of compost. This will give it a lot of nutrients to feed on in the next few months. Lastly, give your potatoes a good watering and make sure that your container is set in full sun. You want at least 6 to 8 hours of sun a day. And that's it. Hopefully in a few months we'll have a full harvest. See you next time.